Good morning, handsome. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Guess what?
What?
I'm 30 weeks today. We're in the 330s. Isn't that exciting? That means at maximum we have 70 days left.
Holy cow.
I'm excited. Now you just have to officially agree to the name. He does. He
You're
needs
gonna have to wait.
No. This little goober is awake. He's been awake. It's almost 10 o'clock. I've been working. Oh no. Are you telling him about when you fell and hit your head last night? He was being crazy on the couch and he totally somersaulted off of the couch and bonked his head. Yeah. I just looked, I've been feeling like every day, so it had to have happened last night. I think part of why Hudson hasn't been sleeping is all 4 of his 2-year-old molars have broken through. Just a smidge bit, so there's probably still lots of uncomfortableness to that. But they're breaking through and I'm super excited just because I was waiting for those 2-year-old molars to break through. And now he has a little piece. Do you want to come show him? Let's show him your 2-year-old molars. Come show him your teethers. Let's see, this one. Oh, you can see it. Man, that one's been broken through. There's that one. Like there. Go. Let me see the top. Look up. Look up at the sky. Look up at the ceiling. Look at mommy though. You gotta look, face mommy. Now look up. I noticed because I saw that one, the one back there. Yeah, you guys can see him. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Anyways, I noticed because he was showing me something in his mouth, and then I was like, "Whoa, they're teethers." You want to watch that? Okay. And Sky's still home. There was some issues at work, so he's just waiting to hear for when he needs to go to work. Jeez. I'm all getting ready to bag some chicken, and I hear a huge thud. I'm like, what the frick was that noise? And there, her feather stuck to my window. Feather stuck to my window, so a bird must have hit our window.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's on the ground dead or not.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Startled the bejeebies out of me.
Yeah.
Sky has this drawer done and it is so cool. So cool, babe. You did so good. I'm so impressed. Yeah. No, it looks way good.
You like the white
Yeah.
against the cards?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yeah.
Doesn't it look so good with the knobs? Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll have to take a picture and send it to the lady that gave us the cards. I seriously get the best snuggles from this kid. Mama, cuddle couch, cuddle couch. Hudson, do you want to learn something new? Wait, so what you do is you pick one up and you put it on the noodles. Can you do that?
Uh-oh.
You can do it. I believe in you. You did it! Yay! Good job, Bubba. You did it! Yay! Hudson is playing with Play-Doh. and I am gonna vacuum up this Cheerio mess. It was a fun game, but boy, we made a mess. Don't eat it, it's yucky. Ew. All right, all vacuumed and cleaned. Huh, kid? Does it look good? Like, whatever. He wants me to vacuum again. Heck no. I just got done. My advice to anybody, if you're about to have a kid or you have a very young kid, is to get a good vacuum, because you use it. I literally use my vacuum like every day, multiple times. So I highly suggest that. What do you need help with, bub? You're doing good. You don't need help. You've got it. You just got Play-Doh in your hair, though. It is getting really windy out, and I don't know if they're gonna do fireworks if it's windy out. I'm hoping they. We'll just wait and see, because it's not for another 2 hours. But.
No,
Bird cold, yeah. Hudson insisted that he needed to take a bath, even though he had like 1 drop of Play-Doh on him. He was like, shower, shower. And he wouldn't let me wash off his hands. So, in the shower he is. But I'm telling him that he needs to get out and get dressed so we can go see if we have presents in the mail. And then so we can eat dinner and go see Pops. Did you want to go see fireworks later? Pop!
Yeah.
Then we need to get out and get dressed. It's raining, so I don't know about these fireworks, you guys. Alright, the lighting is terrible because of that light, and there's basically nothing I can do about it. Maybe switch you right there. Does it look like a werewolf?
Yeah.
Those are dinosaurs. We got a box from my dad, and there's some clothes for Mr. Hudson. Those are dinosaurs, and gosh, he's gonna look so cute in these. So cute, especially if I put a long sleeve white onesie, which I just ordered today. Oh my gosh, so cute. Those, and there's some sharks. So cute. So thank you, Dad. Hudson wants to open the card all by himself. Wow. That is so cool. Are those pirates? Should we open it and read what it says inside? It says, yo. Okay, this is kind of gross, at least to me. It kind of freaks me out a little. But she is sitting, look at that. Like, my rib cage is right here, and she's pushing out right here. So it, like, divots. Look at that divot. Ew, that is so gross. My rib cage and then her. That's so weird.
Ew.
Ew.
What?
Is that where baby sister is? Oh, you're so sweet, but... The handsome man is home from work. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hudson, don't eat a Kleenex. Alright, babe, you gotta tell them what you just told me.
I'm not gonna do.
Dude. At work today, this guy saw a deer that had 3 ears. I wish he would have taken a picture. Dude, that is crazy.
I can draw a picture.
You can draw it. That is so crazy. Wow. Wow, it's bumpy, huh?
Uh-oh.
Big bump.
Oh.
Are you dancing? Good dancing. Yeah. Is it so good? Is that cool? Again? We can't do anymore. Did you like that? Oh, we can't do it again.
What happened?
Was that so cool? Don't you wish we had a big yard in the middle of nowhere so we could do that at home? Yeah, mommy too.
It's a lot cheaper to come here.
It is a lot cheaper to come here. Those were expensive.
Was that cool?
Did you have fun?
No.
You didn't have fun?
Fireworks? I think they're done.
They're all done. You want to go home now? We're going to watch Bubba Batman tomorrow. All right, we are home. Did you have fun? You just had popcorn, dude. He always asks for a snack right before bed. Anyways, we hope you had a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching ours, and we'll see you tomorrow. Can you say?
No.
Say good night.
No.
Night.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Good night.
Obviously never worked because you're here and you're back, so good luck. Physically attack Michael. Seduce Michael. Make Michael